Our strategy in Elisa is innovate digital services for our customers in our own telecom footprint and international. During our history, we have done many things first in Finland and in the world. Things like unlimited mobile data with speed-based pricing and 5G delivering that data to our customers. And latest innovation has been the distributed energy storage. Now at the moment we continue leading in 5G, and we were first operator in Europe to launch standalone 5G to consumers and corporates in Finland. Automation and AI has been delivering sustainable improvements in our network operations over the years. This unlimited mobile data has led to the highest mobile data usage in the world in Finland, and that has been continuing over the years. That made us start the automation journey 15 years ago. And we have had great results from that. Results like efficiency through increased automation, tens of thousands of automated operations on daily basis in our network. We have improved customer perceived quality and decreased the amount of customer impacted incidents 80% in our network. We started that journey with traditional, classical dedicated infrastructure. Then we added telco cloud about 10 years ago, and then we have been going towards distributed edge cloud. Now we are going towards fully cloud-native architecture, because that will be important enabler for autonomous operations, what we are trying to target. Autonomous operations will need cloud-native open architecture. So we continue innovating towards autonomous operations. We have been pioneering cloud-based RAN with Dell and Nokia. And we do that for learning operational changes, automation needed for it, learn about infrastructure synergies and benefits coming from the centralization. And of course, competencies we need to develop within our people. We need, of course, to get many things right, like pooling and high availability. In a summary, cloud-based RAN is one enabler in our journey towards autonomous operations, and it's helping us to continue innovating and delivering the best customer experience.
I'm here with Nokia today to provide an infrastructure vendor's point of view to developing the necessary Cloud RAN ecosystem to support the anyRAN solution. The key word in that phrase is any in anyRAN. It's going to require a diverse ecosystem of silicon partners, Intel, ARM, AMD, NVIDIA, Marvell, CAS players including Red Hat, Wind River, not to mention participation from the ORAN community, which will likely be required to round out any modern solution. All the elements I just mentioned are used to create blueprints to meet Nokia's requirement for compute, storage, network adapters, timing, memory. All of these things are table stakes to ensure an optimal performance and a TCO. The ability to design it is only part of the challenge. You must be able to bring it all together in an integrated supply chain, a critical success element for delivering a best-of-breed solution, and this is an area where Dell can excel. Not only is an ecosystem required, but a collaborative relationship between Nokia R&D and Dell Engineering to address the technical and commercial requirements to ensure a fit-for-purpose solution. A good example of this is the XR8000 server, built for flexible edge deployments with Nokia input, supporting in-chassis upgradability, scalability for the lifecycle of the Cloud RAN software architecture. As we move up the stack, the CAS layer, integration and automation of the lifecycle management tools can ensure a smooth operation in large cloud deployments. All of this is necessary to be successful. One of the operator's primary concerns is support. So Nokia and Dell together have removed the risk for the day 0, day 1, and day 2 deployments and customer care with back-to-back services, ensuring coverage for a multi-vendor delivery model. This is required to ensure that Nokia and Dell can do business in the most efficient way, which will remove margin stacking from the equation, and also removes one throat to choke, which is no longer a viable support model. So lastly, what's next for Nokia and Dell? It's early innings for Cloud RAN as it has just achieved commercial availability. But the collaboration we've set up allows us to adapt to the market as it matures, prepares us for the twists and turns that inevitably will occur. Some items on the near-term horizon: cloudification of the RAN. This can be a disruptive process to the operator's business, but it's necessary to fully enjoy the benefits of cloudification. AI is here. The recent announcement by T-Mobile of the anyRAN initiative with Nokia and NVIDIA will require significant engagement from all of us. To that point, the Dell AI for Telecom program was recently announced and will support exactly this type of project, including platforms and services necessary to deliver the benefits of AI. With that, Dell is all in on Cloud RAN, ready, willing, and able to win with Nokia and ensure the success of the anyRAN program.
The world of telecommunication mobile networks is changing and undergoes a significant transformation. Communication service providers show more and more interest in RAN disaggregation, vendor diversity, deployment flexibility, and a level of openness. O-RAN Open Fronthaul and Cloud RAN are synonyms for RAN disaggregation and a level of openness. While O-RAN Open Fronthaul describes the horizontal disaggregation, where third-party radios operate with mobile networks, purpose-built baseband and hardware and software functions, Cloud RAN describes the vertical disaggregation, where typical radio access software functions and the application layers are no longer bound to underlying purpose-built baseband hardware, but run on commercial off-the-shelf server technology from our partners Dell and HPE. So by disaggregating hardware from software, these technologies offer an unprecedented level of flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. In mobile networks, we started our journey, our Cloud RAN journey, already a couple of years ago and anchored it recently in our anyRAN concept. The philosophy behind anyRAN is to achieve maximum flexibility in the Cloud RAN solution design by leveraging collaborative advantages in productizing and commercializing Cloud RAN solutions with industry-leading companies in the hardware server and infrastructure domain. So where do we stand today in autumn 2024? I'm very excited and proud about the fact that we will reach commercial readiness in our Cloud RAN solution together with our partners end of this year. So it is actually a remarkable milestone and a testament that in tight collaboration and in a truly open and trustful working environment, a fully hardware and software integrated and tested Cloud RAN reference design can be built with a wide ecosystem of partners. So the anyRAN concept launched at Mobile World Congress 2023, amplified at MWC 2024 with the announcement that we are going to go commercial by end of this year, hits the reality. In summary, our Cloud RAN solution offers features and performance parity, deployment flexibility in the market, and if you will, a radio access network evolution path from purpose-built today to hybrid deployment models and cloud-native software functions tomorrow, and it eventually is a catalyst towards AI RAN-based solutions in the future.